Let's face it, scoring a great deal feels fantastic, but it's not always easy, especially on platforms like Offerup where negotiation is king. So, have you ever wished you could swoop in and master the conversation, landing that perfect bargain? Well, stick around because this is your chance to do just that. In this guide, we're diving into the art of negotiation and Offerup, a skill that can be the difference between walking away empty handed and clinching that dream deal. Common challenges on negotiating on OfferUp. Negotiating on an online marketplace like OfferUp sounds straightforward, right? But often it's riddled with hurdles that can trip both the buyers and sellers if they're not prepared. Buyer's perspective. For buyers, it can sometimes feel like wandering through a maze without a map. Many enter negotiations with the right intentions but lack the necessary skills to haggle successfully. This inexperience often leads to missed opportunities and deals falling flat. A common pitfall is the dreaded lowball offer. You know, those offers so low they make you wonder if the buyer's serious or just testing the waters. While it's always smart to aim for a bargain, consistently hitting below the belt with your offers can sour potential deals and turn sellers away from engaging further. Additionally, the art of negotiation isn't just about price. It's about timing, understanding the item's value, and communicating your interests thoughtfully. Many buyers assume negotiation is a one and done conversation, but understanding how to leave room for a counteroffer can transform the experience from frustrating to fruitful. Seller's frustration. On the flip side, sellers face their own set of frustrations too. Constant barrage of lowball offers can be disheartening. It's not just about the number, it's the feeling of not being taken seriously or having the value of their items dismissed. Effective negotiation requires an understanding that it's a two-way street. Sellers often crave genuine interaction where a buyer isn't just guessing numbers at random, but instead shows an understanding of the item's worth. For sellers, buffering against unreasonable offers requires setting clear parameters up front, like minimum prices, in their listings, yet maintaining an open mind for reasonable negotiation that can lead to successful transactions. So what's the takeaway here? A little empathy and strategy from both sides can pave the path towards negotiations that aren't just another game of cat and mouse, but rather a straightforward win-win exchange. Effective negotiating tactics for buyers on OfferUp. All right, so you're ready to snag a deal on OfferUp, but you need to step up your negotiation game. Here's how to make sure you're not only getting the best prices, but also keeping the seller happy and the transaction smooth. Research and comparison. First things first, do your homework. It sounds a bit schoolish, but trust me, a little research goes a long way. Start by comparing similar products in your area and online. See what retailers are selling them for new. This gives you a solid base for what constitutes a fair price. When you're armed with these facts, you'll have the confidence to make offers that make sense. Draft your initial offer by leveraging these comparisons. You may say something like, I've noticed similar models listed around for $80, so would you be open to discussing a price closer to that? By backing your offer with data, you'll demonstrate that you're not just hunting bargains recklessly, but are an informed buyer worth engaging with. In-person negotiation skills. When it's time to close the deal in person, flexibility becomes your secret weapon. Let the seller know you're able to pick up an item ASAP. Everyone loves a quick and easy sale. You can mention, I can swing by this afternoon to pick it up if you're available. Offering a prompt pickup can sometimes nudge them towards sealing the deal at your favorable price. Also, scan what else the seller has listed. Maybe they've got a matching lamp and you've been thinking about sprucing up your space. Use that as a negotiation avenue. I saw that you also have that lamp that complements the set. How about a bundled price? Bundled offers can often lead to bigger discounts as sellers appreciate the opportunity to offload more at once. Remember, negotiation OfferUp isn't about being sneaky or pushy, it's about engaging respectfully with sellers. Armed with your research and some friendly, well-timed negotiation skills, you'll not only get the best deals, but also build a reputation as a reliable buyer. Happy negotiating.